Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover recently deleted photos on iPhone. So if you want to recover maybe by mistake, it happens that you delete the most important pictures or photos in your iPhone gallery. Here is how you can recover photos. So first thing to do is you tap on the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you tap on it, then you tap on album, then you scroll down, you scroll all the way down, then you tap on recently deleted. You tap on it, then it's going to specifically request for your phone passcode or your face ID. So just tap on view the album, then it will just automatically bring out the passcode option where you can input your passcode or you apply your face ID on your phone. So just tap on view album, then scroll for your phone password, then you tap on it, then right here you can see the list of recently deleted photos. Then just for example, you can just tap on this particular one, then tap on long click on it, then tap on recover, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.